discover the music. Discover the true deep house. This is the real groove of the house.
His ex is letting himself fall. Every day. This difficult living, heavy and as if all Show me something real. Like the hug in a pandemic, face turned away.
Chat. How are we doing, man? Welcome back to the streams, everybody. Happy Friday. Yo, where's everyone at, man? What's good? Come say hi if you're here, chat. Fuck it, let's do it. It's gonna be a good day today. NY session, you know the drill. What's good, Rays? What's good, Ethan? MC's here. JJ. Can you explain the buyers you took? What's good? What are you doing? Yeah, let's jump on stream. Chat. How we doing, man? Welcome back to the streams. Welcome back. Mr. Jar's here. JJ, Rays, like I said, what you doing? That's someone's name, not what are you guys doing? Ethan, what's good? All right, chat, look. Let's jump into it. So, big day today. Let's do a real quick breakdown. We have NFP today, right? NFP. Let me change the title, actually. Because we're trading New York now, so I need to include the name of the news, because that's actually important. Let's switch it over. You put the wrong time in today? Oh, did I? NFP. News day. Question, exclamation mark. What time did I put in? Oh, I put it for the morning. That's why. Shit, my bad. Has it been scheduled this morning? Oh, shit. Oh, well. Anyway, chat, we're out here. We're live. What's good, GG? So, chat, yeah, NFP today. In about an hour. Unemployment rate, non-farm employment, average hourly earnings. Cheeky trade on the personal, yes, sir. First trade back on the personal in a while, to be honest, and it was a banger. Walk us through it, will do. Chat, first off, let's jump into a little analysis here. So we've got the weekly time frame pushing up. No, I'm not doing our futures. Weekly time frame pushing up here, chat. We have 9 hours till the weekly closes. Daily time frames looking a little bit rocky, to be honest, starting to range a little bit here. You have formed a range between 33.83 and 33.52. 4 hour, same thing, right? You're forming like this crazy big range between these two levels here. Between here and here. As well as that, chat, we have the similar thing on the 1 hour, to be honest, but let's just drop it down a little bit further here on the one. So we have, actually, no, we're going to leave it right here. Just for a second so I can explain. When should I explain the trade? Fuck it. Anyway, chat. 33.45 here's the key level on the 1 hour. You also have another strong ass level right here. Where is that? You do have one here, to be honest, but I'm a bit concerned about this level. All right, we're going to leave a big range. Oh, that's a huge range, though. It's 400 pips, chat. 400, you know, it's a little bit too large. All right, we'll keep it here. So, yeah, that gives you 50 pips. That's fine. So, 33.70 is also a key level. You do have one at like 65 as well that we've respected in the past, right? Oh, actually, let's do that. Let's do 65. All right, perfect. And then, obviously, after 65, that should take you up towards 33.80 at least. So, chat, that's you just saw a little dilemma in my head there. That's how I deal with these sort of thought processes. I'm going to push this up a little bit to 66.8, though, because that level there to the left. Yeah, perfect. So chat, realistically right now, you are forming like a really wide range between these two levels, just bouncing between these two. You have a minor one in the middle as well, but realistically 33.80 is the main level right here. If you do close above 66, you should continue up realistically towards the top. However, we need to be very, very strongly, we need to have strong confirmations essentially on that one. Then obviously closures below here as well are a little bit difficult because of this liquidity. Again, whatever trade we take today, chat, we need to have liquidity in the opposite direction. We need to have strong confirmations. It's very, very important here. Let me explain the trade that I took earlier on my personal. So, simply this. I actually was ignoring this level right here because I didn't really see it as too important earlier, but now I do think since we projected off of it, it's pretty strong looking at it again. I also saw that we had a decent level around here. Was it on the 30 or the 1? I think it was the 1. Either way, I saw a strong level right here after we closed back above the range. So essentially what we've done is we closed very strongly bullish here after tapping and taking these lows. Same thing happened here. We came down, trend play on the 30-minute buys around. I actually got a relatively poor entry, to be honest. I think my buys were like 6.2, so around here. Off that trend play. Saw a little bit of drawdown. Stops were actually below this low, so pretty tight one, I can't lie. Nearly came down and got me. And then TP was actually all the way up here, but I decided to close out on the retest of this level, right? It was actually around here that I ended up closing. So like, I pretty much got the absolute perfect close. If you saw the screenshot on Instagram, I legitimately closed it right there on this high here. Obviously now we've come higher, but you would have come back and hit break even, right? So actually somehow got the perfect close. Again, just not luck, but it was based off a level, and then we got fortunate with when we got the exit. But yeah, chat, that was the trade. How much is a taxi from... can you not rent a car? That would be way better. You kind of need a car anyway, I would say. Clean trade earlier, chat. But now, what I'm going to be doing today is I'll trade on futures. I'll trade on futures today for the rest of this stream. If we get a position, it's going to be on futures. But yeah, chat, how about the rest of you guys? How are you doing this week? Hopefully you guys have had a good week so far. It's been a difficult week to trade, I can't lie. You didn't take it on futures? No, I took it on Forex personal. For about 2K profit. Chat, anyone seen the Trump and Elon beef? This shit's insane. These guys are... It reminds me of an old school rap beef like Drake and fucking Pusha T back in the day. Was that Drake and Pusha T? Yeah, it was. You up for this month? Yes, sir. I don't know how bro's arguing with the president. Bro, he probably has more power than the president, I can't lie. With the amount of cash this guy has, the amount of companies, it's possible that he has more power. I can't lie. Nah, I don't know though. Elon Musk, man. Tesla stock's dumping. Eddie Lifts, what's good, man? Long time no see, brother. Goku has more power? Yeah, true. True. What's good, bro? Yeah. Where is it? What did he say earlier? Bro, this guy's going crazy on Twitter. He's posted about 10 million tweets. The craziest one was, wait. This one. Chat, this one. Yeah, that's the one you sent, right? Yeah. Bro. So crazy, man. They are literally beefing. Twitter beef, you know? What's good, Slickblock? How you doing, man? Bro, it's insane, but I feel like it's all a big distraction. I can't lie. I think it's all a big distraction. I'm not going to say for what, but Obama would never. I don't know what Obama would do. Some not good things either way. Whoa, I saw it, Raze. I saw it. Conspiracy theories? Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. Hit it with the like, Apex, ACG, all that shit. All-time high incoming this month? Yeah, potentially. It's a clash of two narcissistic pricks. One's fueled by ketamine. Maybe. You have to be a narcissist to be a powerful man, I think. I think at some point you have to be a bit narcissistic. To get, like, to their level, right? To be a billionaire, you have to be. I don't think it's possible otherwise. Are you ready for NFP? If by ready you mean I'm going to sit and watch it, then yeah. Yeah. Or chat, should we full margin? It's always the question, right? Gold's ranging before NFP though. I think we're probably consolidating. Chat, I feel like a load of people blew their accounts yesterday. Because look at the numbers on stream right now. I got clapped absolutely buying NY session yesterday. Yeah. Minor loss for me, 0.75. That's good, man. Took a 0.8% loss on Monday. Been managing risk like crazy. Yeah, that's sick, bro. It's really good to hear, bro. Lots of people got clapped. I think so. Full margin Friday is what's best? Maybe. I feel like a lot of people blew their accounts yesterday. Close enough, bruv? Yeah, close enough. Marcus Bishopi, I got liquidated. I shorted Naz yesterday. I saw that, JJ. You said that earlier. I saw it, man. Good shit. Been hard to trade these past 2 weeks? It has been, bro. It has. It's been difficult, man. I got cooked yesterday, too. I got cooked on futures yesterday, too. I took a 1% loss, basically. On futures, though. So no real actual, like, money lost, basically. Prop firm money. It doesn't really count. Nice. All right. Spain versus France was sick. Almost comeback. 5-4. Crazy. I should have watched that shit. That sounds pretty insane. Chat, sells don't look too bad here, eh? Sells don't look too bad here. If this 30-minute closes like this, you should see a continuation down towards the bottom of the range. But again, I'm not going to be trading within this range, I don't think. I want to wait till we close outside the range, personally. What's good, Joel? How we doing, man? You have that level to the left, trend lines, that's no problem. Which one? There's many levels here. This is what I'm saying, it's very choppy. You could pretty much put a line anywhere here. SG took a good trade yesterday night. Thanks for the advice. I saw it, bro. You hit TP. Congrats. Where the candle is now, if you take sells, you are selling into the support, right? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's a few levels here. Like, you have a support right here. Like this. So that's why you can't really take anything here. But the market structure-wise and liquidity-wise, you do look like you want to continue down. Is it really heading for that daily FVG after going all the way up? Daily FVG, you know. Where the fuck is that? Oh, this, right? Chat, I'm the FVG man now. I can spot an FVG a mile away. May as well call me Mr. ICT. Pro learns the most basic thing about the strategy and calls himself ICT. Gold retested all my levels, even my own stop loss. But you survived, right? What's good, fine shit? Crazy. What's good, man? See chat pushing down right now. Should I call you Mr. OC? What? That doesn't make sense. I took a buy at 51 last night. Set BE, hoping it holds. 51. Hopefully it plays. Up on the week with good risk management. Don't want to blow it today. Weird gold is selling and Nasdaq looks strong. Was sure it'd be the other way around. Shows how much I know. Yeah, man. Nah, I got the reference just now. I got the reference. Should I call you Mister? Why are you gay? What a video that was. That's like an OG video. The OCM thing threw me off, but the why are you gay? Yeah, I got it. What's good, DK? How's it going, man? Happy Pride Month, gang. I appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. No way, we got Bart Simpson on the 5. Oh, we do. Mr. Bart back in action. It's not quite enough choppiness though. I think we need to do something like this first, Jar. Then you can get the real Bart Simpson. But he's like, in this one, he's like leaning off to the side a little bit. In fact, I don't know how it's going to go that way. It has to be like this, right? Nothing much, man. Just chilling here to see what the PA looks like after NFP. Yeah, I think realistically, the best thing we can do is probably wait for after NFP. You got 30 minutes. So if I take a trade now, sales don't look too bad here, I can't lie, but it is very choppy. I feel like, to be honest, if you look at this week from Monday, we've basically just been waiting for NFP the whole week. You've just been in this range. So we probably were just waiting for NFP the entire week. I think you should gamble NFP. Chat, 50 likes and I'll full port my live account on NFP. I'm joking. Next week will be cleaner. Chat, what news do we have next week actually? That's a very good point. Let's take a look. Buy some extra challenges? No. Oh, full put them? Yeah, nah, I can't do that. How about 20 likes? No way. Nothing Monday. Nothing Tuesday. Oh, chat, it could be nice here. Nothing oh no, CPI on Wednesday. Thursday, unemployment claims, right? Yeah. Friday, consumer sentiment. Chat, it should be decent. How long for a payout still on Apex? Bro, I took a loss yesterday, so we're a bit further away again. I'm not very close. We're still in profit, like quite a lot, but took a loss yesterday. I think I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive on these now. Personal account's up for the week though, which is great. Up for the month obviously as well. Have I taken one trade on this personal account in the last month? No, I've taken 3. I've taken 3 trades in the last 30 days on my personal chat. Crazy. 1 was a break even, and then 2 wins. That's it. Have you ever had a losing month? Yeah, I said this yesterday, but yeah, of course. March was a losing month for me. I've taken 5, yeah. It's been a slow month. Or slow week at least, I mean. It's only the start of June. For some reason it feels like it's the end of the month right now. But it's the start of the month. I don't know why. Time's going super slow, eh? Chat, did you guys see the video I dropped yesterday? If you didn't, you're banned. Nah, but realistically, you make sure you go watch that shit. Very valuable. It was a really good video. Thank you, Raze. Thank you, what you did as well. You took an L and MY yesterday? Yeah. What did I take? I can't even remember now. I think I took buys here. Yeah, I did, I think. No, it wasn't there. Where was it, man? Oh, I took buys here. I thought it was the perfect entry as well. I was gassed. I got taken out, right, by 2 pips. My stops were below here, but I also gave myself some room. I got taken out by 2 pips and then it ran into profit. We moved, but yeah, I literally took this trade yesterday. So tough. Literally stopped out by 2 pips. But anyway, it doesn't matter, we moved, right? Realistically, I should have my stops below these lows here, but I was a little bit over risked if I did that. Even below this area here, to be honest. One minute bullish engulfing. Let's see how the hourly closes. Yeah, chat, 3 minutes to the hourly close here. Bullish engulfing? Yeah, it looks like a liquidity grab, personally. On long. Structure's bearish, bro. I'd be very careful long in this shit. I'd be very careful at the minute in general, right? Selling it, buying it right now. Both are very difficult here. You're in the middle of the range, right? Number one rule for me is you never really want to take a trade in the middle of the range. Unless it's like a wick entry from above the range before, but it's not, right? Like this area for me right now is probably no trades. Trade up here, maybe. Trade down here, maybe, but structure's bearish overall, right? 5 minutes now. 5 minutes not too bad. A lot of liquidity sitting at 33.80. I genuinely think fundamentals are driving the market right now. One's got to be right. True. True. It must want to come back to collect orders. Yeah, but what you have to understand as well is sometimes if it wants to come and collect orders up here, right? Let's say that we have a liquidity resting around this area. Sometimes what needs to happen first is you need to come down and break these lows to get liquidity to then push back up to then continue down. Sometimes you have to grab liquidity from below first. So like it's not a safe bet saying there's liquidity up here, just take a buy. I know you weren't saying that, I'm just saying it as a point to be made. Chat, hourly closing here in 30 seconds. What did I say about those sells though, chat? I was right. Those sells would have given you 25 pips. Nah. Chat, that trade I took today on my personal accounts, one of the biggest trades that I've taken without closing partials on my live account ever, really. 50 pips basically without taking any partials. Closed at like 50 or 40 or something. Big one. It's difficult to do that with a big account size, I can't lie. That's something I kind of struggle with. Chat, 1 hour no bottom wick really. What's good, Matt? How's it going, brother? Chat, what do you guys think about a full okay, mate, yeah, I'm chilling, bro. Thank you. What do you guys think about me dropping just like one big long ass video, right? On my strategy, just a full course, just like an hour or 2 hours long. I'm so tempted to do it. I don't care how many views it gets, right? But for those who want it, it's going to be so valid. Like a nice hour-long vid or something. Sounds great. Could be sick. I watched the whole thing. Hey, I appreciate that, my friend. Full margin Friday, let's go. What's good, Zulu? Yeah, man. Chat, what a time to be alive, bro. What a time to be alive. We can trade gold. You can make money by clicking a button on your phone, and you got Elon and Trump beefing right now. Like the president of the United States and the richest man on the planet currently have a Twitter beef. What a time to be alive. We in a simulation for sure? Yeah, we gotta be, bro. We need diss tracks. Diss tracks would go crazy. It's all a distraction. As crazy as it sounds, I want Biden's old ass back. At least the markets were so... Yeah, the markets were great last year. That is true. Trump market's a toss right now. Had my best year ever? I know, bro. Passive funded account and got 2 payouts. Personal account was thriving. Hey, that's how the game goes, man. That's how the game goes. It all happens in phases. Chat, like I think a lot of traders think that it's going to be all exponential the moment they become profitable. I'm not talking about you, Ray, specifically. I'm just saying in general here as a point. A lot of traders think, all right, we're going to have like essentially account balance looking like this. Then you go back, get break even, and then suddenly it's like this, right? In reality, what happens is once you become profitable, you start to go like, okay, cool. You make some good money. Maybe there's phases where you're making more money than ever. Then you're going to have setbacks, you know, and then again, you just slowly, steadily build up, have aggressive periods again, and then setbacks. It's just, it's something that you have to go through as traders. That's why they think, oh, there'll always be drawdown days and months. Yeah, bro, that's the thing. We're going to have losing months. We're going to have losing quarters. Personal account is still thriving, just a minor setback. Yeah, 100%, bro. I had that in March, right? And it just, you get over it. I'm trying to get to that 1 mil personal account, you know. Having a milli personal is going to be so sick. I wouldn't even need to, I'll be risking like 0.1% on that bitch and just fucking sending it. Liquidity grab phase? Yeah, maybe. You'll be there soon, bro. Next year, hopefully. Next year, that's the plan. 1 mil is not that far. It's not there. You're right, it's not that far at all. In the grand scheme of things, it's not. Think about all these guys trading like, think about all these guys trading with like billions, even trillions, right? If you think about like BlackRock and, probably shouldn't say that what name on stream, but like those guys, Citadel, they're trading with trillions, like literally trillions. I wonder what their fucking commission on their brokers are like. Chat, do you reckon they have spread? Now they actually do have crazy spread. Crazy how much money goes in here, and there is no ICT where they trade millions and millions of dollars. Yeah, of course. They're making the markets they trade. Yeah, that is true. The craziest ones, yeah, like the market makers, bro. The market makers are just, it's infinite money at that point. Because the market makers basically just guarantee both sides of the trade, right? So they have to buy and sell. So they only make, they don't really trade, or they can't trade, it's illegal. They basically just make their money off commission, spread, etc. But like a broker, basically, but for OTC. So like, let's say BlackRock wants to go and buy $1 billion worth of Apple. There's obviously not going to be a counterpart immediately to sell them $1 billion of Apple. So the market maker guarantees it, which means they have to sell it, and then they have to buy it back as well. So it's like, it's complicated, but the commission those guys make. There are also funds that trade 100 mil and that's small and have problems with execution. Chat, the moment you get into like, chat, even to be honest, when you're trading with like 100, 200K, you start to feel like some differences in the broker, I can't lie. When you get up to like 1 million, so yeah, easy. Like because you're trading a CFD, right? If you trade futures, it's a little bit different. Trump's been good for NQ and gold, but a lot of people saying it's total crypto, too much uncertainty for money to go into risk assets maybe. From what I read the other day, Trump's crypto company bought another 2 billion worth of Bitcoin, and they're now applying for a Bitcoin ETF. So I don't think crypto's fucked. I think it's taking a little break. I think we see a big run up soon. This chart looks very bullish to me. Extremely, extremely bullish. Yeah, the problem if you're trading investor capital is like you have people looking over your shoulders. So it's not just the money that you're worried about, it's also like what other people think of you. And there's like ego involved, there's loads of shit going on. So it's like, it gets a little bit more difficult. Bullish on a few cryptos, but Eve's sketching me out. Yeah, I'm a bit scared about Ethereum. Scaling possibility is crazy, and also the people you meet and connect with. Yeah, I know. Chat, the other day in the gym, I met a Swiss hedge fund manager. Spoke to him in German for a bit. Not much though, because he obviously realized my German was average at best. Hella money. Swiss, bro. This guy's Swiss managing money out here in Cyprus. There's only one reason for that. Tax and connections. He's definitely managing some shady ass Russian money out here. Shady ass Russian money. Otherwise, you'd be in Switzerland, right? State of that guy's watches. He had fucking yeah, crazy watch. I think he had an AP I could never, not gonna lie, one wrong move. Yeah, I know. So tempted to full margin one of my accounts. Yeah, training in an AP. Yeah, man. Chat, I think that's my next watch. I looked, the other day I looked, APs are cheaper than I expected. I'm not saying they're cheap, right? But you can get a second-hand Royal Oak for like 30K. I don't know if the watch market just collapsed. Can you speak Dutch as well? No, I can't. No way. Like chat, 35, buy a Rolex? I have a Rolex. I'm not gonna buy another one. I mean, maybe I will. Guten Tag. Oh, sorry. Shiver me timbers. You're the one who said it. Chat, look, 35K for an AP. It's not that bad. I mean, it's expensive. It's a lot of money, don't get me wrong. But like, I thought they were all way, way more. But I want the silver one. Raise, bro. SG's balling. Nah. I want this, not this one, bro. $22K. See, that's not that bad, you know. Rose gold, 39mm. You need a 41 though, right? 27. Yes, 39. See, like, this is what I was expecting more, and this shit, bro. Extra thin. Yo, this one's crazy, chat. Just a house on your wrist real quick. That is so beautiful, though. I wouldn't even be able to tell the time with it. I couldn't even really tell the time with that. Yeah, my current watch is a 41 as well. I just wear it, cuz. Bro, my Rolex is never on the right time because I never look at the time for it, right? I just forgot to set it. Bro, I'm not going to buy one of these for like at least another year though. I've got other things I need to do first. But like, look at this shit, man. It's crazy though, when you're at that job and trading, only thing you can think about is leaving the job with trading, and then life levels up and you start looking at APs. She's balling. I'm not balling, man, not yet. Balling is like a different level, I think. Balling's when you can buy that shit without even looking. Like, if I bought that, it would still be a big purchase. Obviously. It's hard though for the collection, yeah. And I presume they would still appreciate in value. If not, they'll stay the same, right? Like, a lot of people think you're spending... if today's session goes your way, share a 1K, thank you. You want me to share 1K with you? Buy 2 Bugattis with my subscribers' money, buying signals off me. I don't know who you're mentioning there, I can't lie. When you roll somewhere and don't look at the cost. Yeah, like, I think restaurants and shit, that's okay. But like, different level when you're buying watches and not caring about the price. Or cars. Chat, think about it. There's people that buy houses and cars without negotiating. They just go, yeah. Like imagine. Even worse, right? I was talking to my real estate guy out here in Cyprus. And basically like a couple of years ago, they had a scheme where if you paid 2 mil in real estate, you got a passport. So all the Russians came over, found properties that were like 1.5 and basically just said, look, all I care about is the passport right here. Just put it up for 2 mil. I know it's only worth 1.5, but I'll pay the 2 mil so I can get the passport and move on. Imagine, chat. Imagine having that much bread. That's a stupid amount of money. He said he made so much commission off these Russians doing this because they did not even come back to the house ever. They didn't come back to the house ever. Didn't even rent it. It's just sitting there. 2 mil. Crazy work. What's good, Max? How's it going, brother? You think NFP will be a big move? Yeah, potentially. I think we've been waiting all week for NFP, so I think it could be a big move. On paper, did they ever have it? I don't know, man. I don't think any of it's on paper. I think it's all in cashola. For example, there's a guy here that owns the Lamborghini yacht that I put on my story the other day. I think he gets audited like three or four times a year for money laundering. Fucking crazy stuff. Owns a football team out here. Owns like almost every building on the front. Also on a Moscow most wanted list, so you do the maths. I've just seen T-Pool ripping his M4 past me. Oh, no way, bro. Yeah, that guy is insane. The Russian guy. So many better places to invest in the UK and the shite West here. Bro, I would not spend any money in the UK anymore. I don't have a single fucking pound in the UK anymore. I wonder if there's any extradition in Cyprus for that guy. I doubt it, bro. I doubt it. I'm not going to Google that shit, actually. That's not the best thing to Google. That's going to get me put on a list. Not for me, for him. Feel foreign yet? It's like a weird middle ground, right? My girl used to say this to me because when she was living in the UK with me, but you don't feel like you belong here, but you also don't feel like you belong back home either now. So it feels a bit like, not like purgatory, but it's weird. It's like a really weird middle ground. You paranoid? No, I'm not paranoid. I don't have anything to be paranoid about. Chat. 13 minutes till news here. I'm probably going to stay on for news, see if there's any positions with news, and then call it a week because it's been a good week so far. I can't lie. Real bad man. Real bad man. Bro, I can't lie though, chat. It does make you want to kind of start money laundering when you see these people have all these things. Makes you want to get involved. Feels like we're going to smash down here. Maybe. Maybe. I think whichever way it goes, it's going to go big time. What's NQ doing? Steadily rallying, to be fair. It looks the exact same as gold, bro. How weird is that? Oh, no, it says S&P. Fuck. My bad. I was like, they look similar, bro. It's the S&P. Yeah, they're the exact same, obviously. But to be fair, it doesn't look too dissimilar from gold. Chat, it's time to make a mill, man. It really is time to make a mill. Wait, let me send this. All right, cool. Hackers in these times are the golden ones. They're hacking exchanges and shit. Yeah, man. So do we wait for NFP to close with a 30-minute candle and then trade according levels? Yeah, man. SG code doesn't give 90% of the minute. Oh, that's true. I have to change this. For max discount. Doesn't sound as good though. I think at the minute it's 71%. Either way, chat, it's still a banger deal. Don't want no false advertising shit. True. True. All right. Chat, we have 10 minutes here till NFP. Today, legs on the menu. Yeah, man, I just hit, because I've been training before stream now, so I hit the, hit arms just now, which was pretty good. Arms and then some cardio. Got home, my girl made a Caesar salad, like a chicken Caesar salad, but a healthy one. So good. Life's good, man. All right, cool. Yeah, chat. Wait, let's do a poll. Get off your phone now. Whoa. Which way do we think NFP is going? Wait, going to push gold? Question mark. 1, 2. Oh no, let's do up. Ah, fuck. Why can't I type? Down. Start poll. If the news are bad, gold's jumping, right? Yeah. That's how it works. If the news is bad for the dollar, it's good for gold. And if it's bad for the dollar, it's obviously also bad for like indexes like NQ. By the way, DS, so you passed the funds account yesterday. Congrats. Another one. Bro's milking it now. I can't wait to get you on a trader interview after you get like hella payouts. And Matt as well. Did you resolve that issue? Actually, you can text me that rather than saying it on stream. Chat, pushing up here. I'm down. Fire. Auf Deutsch or what? Would be jokes. That could be funny. After getting enough payouts, you will face a ban on any prop firm. Holy, your accent's good. I don't think so, bro. I think when I actually speak like full sentences, it's like mid. I'm pretty sure I still have an English accent when I speak German. Do gold and NQ correlate? No, they're not really correlated at all, but if you had to say it, they're pretty much inversely correlated. The British in you comes out. Yeah, man. No, that's not even British. What's British? All right, mate. Speak Dutch and German, almost the same. They're not the same though. I mean, yeah, they're kind of similar, but Dutch is a weird language. After getting enough payouts, you face a ban from any prop firm. That's not really true. Dutch is German on Wish? Yeah. It actually is. Dutch sounds like German if you've got like a lisp. Find it difficult? What? German? I used to. It's not as difficult anymore. The only thing that I sort of mix up every now and then is like dirty das, you know? That's really it. Like, obviously, I haven't memorized every single fucking one, you know? You'll shout out if it's a long or a short? Yeah, of course, but I can't take anything for the next 6 minutes at least. No, that's Dutch, bro. Or I don't even know what that is. I presume it's Dutch because it's not German. I know that for a fact. But I don't speak any other languages, so you can't test me on any other language other than German or English. Daily just closed below yesterday, needs to come down, I feel. Yeah, by the look of the daily, it does look like we want to rip down here. 6 minutes is good. 6 minutes is a long time, chat. That's what I've been told anyway. 6 minutes is well above average. Don't let anyone convince you any differently. Hey. Chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already, man. I appreciate it big time. 42 in dog years. Yeah. Love it. Six minutes is quick when I click the snooze button. Yeah, I wasn't talking about the... yeah, actually, we'll just move on. Wait, no way Elon said that. Is that a real tweet? How's the cat getting on? She's chilling, man. She's doubled in size since we bought her. Or not bought her, since we picked her up. When we picked her off the street, she was 600 grams. Now she weighs like 1.2 kilograms. It's crazy. Named yet? We're just calling her Kisa, which means cat in Russian. But I think it's a cool name anyway. Cat jokes? Yeah. I think Kisa means like kitty in Russian. I don't know. I don't even know how to spell it, to be honest. Yeah, Kisa. Giza? Proper Giza. 3 minutes till news, chat. It's like K-I-S-A. Yeah. Like this. Yeah, it's like basically kitty, I think. What's good, Blizzy? How we doing, man? What's good? What's good? What's good? Chat, by the way, I'm filming some more content this weekend. I'm pumping out some content right now. This shit's gonna be insane. Insane amount of value for you guys. Interesting if it closes below. Then we can go for the previous daily low. Yeah, that is true. We'll see what NFP does. SG, did I tell you what got me into trading apart from you? Like what motivated me? Nah. Tell me. No level at 55? Yeah, but there is, but I'm just keeping it like this because my girl cheated on me with 2 guys. Yo. That's got to start your demon arc. You got to get shredded, get rich, get all of that shit. At once? Bro, that'd turn me into a supervillain. What's good, Noodle Holtz? In one night, bro. I'm turning into fucking... I don't even know who. I don't really watch superhero movies, but someone who's an evil superhero man. Lisa Simpson strap for NFP. What's good, Tyler? Chat, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Do we have a bark going on here? You do have a little bit of a Bart Simpson going on, I can't lie. Chat. Wait for it. Let me cook. Chat, the Bart Simpson's coming in crazy right now. It's actually what pushed me to move to the States? Yeah, run it, bro. American girls like European guys anyway, so you're going to be chilling. As long as you got some charisma, you'll be fine. There you go, chat. What a drawing that is. Bart Simpson right there. Nose needs work. I thought that was a fucking sick nose. That's a really good drawing. I'm not going to comment after yesterday's band bullshit. Whoa. Yeah, fair enough. Where's the eraser? Here. Right, he's been dismantled. On yesterday's replay? Yeah, maybe. Looks like USG. That's crazy. Oh, chat, news came out. I should have been more focused, but we're ripping down here. Ripping. How did the news come out? Someone tell me. Oh, good for the dollar, so bearish for gold. Very interesting. So you might see us... Did the daily just flip? It did, chat. You might see us fill this wick downwards here. Yeah, all of it was bearish for gold. Interesting. Unemployment rate stayed the same. NFP good for the dollar. Hourly earnings good for the dollar as well. Even the Canadian news was good. Not really that, doesn't really make too much of an impact. 1 minute close bearish below, chat. Everybody's full margining this right now. Chat, remember though. Remember. The 5th of November. Nah, but remember, yesterday the news came out bullish for gold and we ripped down. So you can't just be 100% dead certain that we're going to continue like that. If this 1 minute flips though, you most likely do rip down. I'm not taking shit though. No top wick here as well. On the 30. Previous 30-minute close doji. No top wick on this one. You did come down and break these lows here. So potentially you have 1 minute sell stops. No way. Potentially you have a liquidity grab here as well. On Apex. No. You guys are eager for a trade. 5 minute was so clean. Congrats, bro. Chat, like I said, remember yesterday it came out good for gold and it still pushed down. So today it came out bad for gold. It could still push up here. The candle's about to flip as well. Next 1 minute close bullish here. 30-minute flipping. Can't be trading news, man. You can't be trading this. See, look, this could rip up at any point right now. Dog shit range? Yeah, it's horrible. Pure dog shit. Breaking the highs now? It's crazy. All right, chat. We're back. My bad. Not trading this shit now? Yeah, horrible. See you breaking the highs, chat. Lost my whole house and underwear on news. GG's. Not the underwear, man. You got to at least exclude the underwear from the bet. Now you're walking around commando for no reason. Nothing is ever promised. Tomorrow? Today? What? English bitte. What is that? Bro came in with half a sentence. Reflipping here, chat. This is a big fucking candle though. 150 pips, chat. Stops a gargantuan. I'm walking with the anaconda outside now. Can't do much about it. Crazy. Who needs grammar anyway? Yeah, true. There is no tomorrow. That is true. Does that technically mean you should full margin your account every day then if there's no tomorrow? Surely, right? 5-minute close doji, chat. How horrible is this? Ugly, ugly closure on the 5. Chat, news just went nowhere. $15 moves in 3 minutes is outrageous. Yeah, 150 pips. Fucking crazy. This NFP was not as crazy as the previous ones. Nothing's happening recently at the minute. We're just consolidating for like, how long here? Days. It's not ideal, man. We need to persuade the new traders into thinking full margin is the right way so only we can keep winning. Yeah, true. Bring back May price action. Nah, bring back 2024 price action, honestly. Bring back 2024 price action, holy shit. If I knew what I knew now, with 2024 price action, I mean, don't get me wrong, we're still cooking, but that was a gold mine. Just like simple closure above, flip, easy. Every single time. Market structure followed every time. Liquidity followed every time. Can't even describe it. Ray's is getting sentimental right now about 2024. Ray's playing Marvin's room right now in his house. I just missed the price action, man. Why? That's when I was learning right now. Wait. That's when I was learning and I thought it was all about rainbows and you. Oh yeah, trust me. The market structure, I know it was good, man. Chat, this is grim. Might have to call it a week. Chat, should I withdraw that fucking money that I just made? Should I withdraw the money that I made on today's trade? Just get a nice little 2K payout for the end of the week. I might do it. Yes, go and have a good weekend. What's your target percentage a week? I don't have one. I don't believe in that shit, to be honest. Right, wait, let me log into my brokerage here. Actually, I kind of wanted to make a video about this. Only if I knew what I knew now in 24, I'd be the next Elon Musk. Yeah, trust me. You know what's crazy though? I can't even withdraw because it's going to get confirmed today, but then processed on Monday. Which is a bit gay. Two-factor. I feel like this year might be slow, and then 26 might pick up again. Nah, I think Q3, Q4 we're gonna have a banger. Yeah, market cycle like Q3, Q4. Because remember, even in 2024, like Q1 price action, Q1 was my worst quarter ever. Q1 2024, I got cooked. Price action was horrible in Q1 2024. Then Q2 got a bit better. Q3 was great. Q4 was like unbelievable. I think I had my first like consistent 10K months in Q3 and Q4 2024. Lost money in Q1? Nah, I'm talking about 2024. Q1 this year, I was probably break even, I would say. I don't really look at my stats like that though, to be honest. I don't really believe in like, as long as it's going upwards, I don't care. I don't want to like over-analyze my stats. Yeah, Q1 2024, yeah, I lost money. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Chat, pushing back down again, re-breaking the lows here. Might have to call it. Yeah, DK maybe, man, maybe. Chat, let's see this 50. Whoa, we are ripping right now. Daily filling the wick here. I kind of knew that would happen, to be honest. Why does it feel like so many people came and disappeared? Because it's what happens, bro. Spion's working. KB's got the shit going on with his family. Well, like whatever that situation, I don't want to talk about too much. And yeah, I don't know, man. Like, I think realistically, a lot of people come and trading's like got a very quick turnover, right? A lot of people come, they get wrecked, or they get bored, or they don't want to commit to it. So it's like, you know, it happens, man. It happens. But the ones who stay are the ones who make money, right? Like if you can stay in a stream for this long, you can make a lot of money. Not just because you can stay in the stream, but because that means you can stay disciplined, right? And if you can stay disciplined, turning up and learning, then yeah, man. I'm staying until SG stops streaming. Go. I don't know if I'll stop streaming. Brilliant. So we had 50-50 on news. Nothing better to do. Trading alone is depressing. True. Lots of people stop trading also. If you look at streams, have much lower views. Scam Garona was the time it was hype. Yeah, true. Chat, we're ripping down here. Is the weekly going to flip? In loss? Why are you in loss? Oh, you took longs, right? Yeah. Trading with people sharing your opinions levels you up. I know. That's why I want to do like in-person trading stuff here out in Cyprus. Jay, when do you... yeah. In-person course. That'd be sick. 3-day boot camp. I would love to do that. But people have to fly out, right? Like, it's very difficult. To be fair, flights to Cyprus aren't that expensive. If you live in Europe, it's easy though. That is very true. It's very true. The Americans are not getting here. It's a long-ass flight if you're from America, I think. Soon milli subs? Yeah, man, we'll get to 10K soon. We got to get past all these shadow bans that I've been getting. Let Eugene do the introduction of the in-person course. Bro, that guy's like a mystery. I don't know where he disappears to. Maybe, wait, let me talk to my guy and see if we can arrange one. He's coming with tomorrow to see you. Crazy. Oh shit, should drop my phone. Chat. 15-minute, no way this shit closes doji, bro. This shit's untradeable. Genuinely untradeable. Yeah, Eugene's got vacation fever, man. He goes on one and then realizes he needs another. Chat, I'm gonna call it a stream here, man. I'm gonna call it a stream. I'm gonna call it a stream here. Make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. It's a horrible 15-minute close, man. Really, really ugly. Let's play the GeoGuessr and call it a week, man. Chat, hopefully you guys had a good week. I'll see you guys again on Monday morning. NY opens in 15 minutes. I'm not interested, man. Thanks for the value, bro. Anytime. And you end stream now? Yeah, man. Bro, I can't trade this. It's untradeable for me. Plus, I took a win today, so I need to just chill out. End the week off on a high. 2K profit for one trade in the week is enough for me, man. Chat, jump in the GeoGuessr though. Jump in, jump in, jump in. Otherwise, it's just 5 verse. I don't mind playing with just 5 verse. Fuck it. Rayski. What a name. All right. 10 seconds, chat, and I'm starting this off. Three, two, one. Kablamo. Oh, someone just got in. Huge. Why do I feel like this is like, it's either Chile, Argentina, somewhere like this, I think. Fucking nowhere near. Mexico? I swear that wasn't Spanish. Maybe it was. I'm shit at Spanish. Is that a vineyard? I don't know where this is, chat. I'm gonna have to go like, is it Sicily? Or is it somewhere in Italy? Oh, fucking, I've been here. What's the link? It's a little bit late, my guy. It's a little bit late. Unfortunately, we started. Where the fuck is this, chat? Is it like Finland or something like that? I'm gonna put it in Sweden just so it's in the middle. Fuck yeah, we'll take it. Is that Denmark or Sweden? Wait, where's the border between these two? Wait, is it like a sea border like this, but there's still a bridge? No way, bro. That's so sick. Is there border control or no? You're basically the same country, man. So wait, you have to do a border control when you get onto the bridge? SG stuff. Oh, green, my bad, bro. You can see Denmark from there? Not after? Crazy. Can you swim it? Surely you could swim this. How far is this? From here to here? Sweden and Denmark gap swimmable question mark. Oh, it's 20 kilometers. Yeah, you could easily swim that shit. Bro's invested in the border. Yeah, my bad. That's sick. I never knew that. I just figured that out. My bad. Yo, we're on the moon. Why can't I move? Chat, I have literally zero idea where this is. Iceland, maybe? That's a weird guess, but I'm gonna stick it up there. Fucking nowhere near. Where's this? Kyrgyzstan. Yeah, good. Like I was meant to get that. Final one. Superior light beer. Crazy. Doesn't really tell me much though, does it? I feel like this is one of those weird islands in the middle of nowhere. Like Hawaii or some shit. I don't even know where Hawaii is, but... Yeah, see fucking... I mean, it wasn't. It was Panama, but still. Oh! Oh, he takes the lead in the final moments. Get smoked. Get smoked. Oh, Raze, I beat... Wait, whoa, hang on. Hang on. Chat, what's going on? How is there two of me? Who's me? There's an imposter, man. Oh, Mr. Noodleholtz. It's gotta be you. You got the same fucking skin as well. How did you get the same skin? Alright, chat. Well, for the first time in history, I've placed first and third in GeoGuessr. That means I'm the best ever. Noodleholtz, you should have came in second, bro. So I could have got first and second. Alright. Chat, that is it. No way this shit flips. Insane. Chat, that's it from me. Have a great rest of the week. If you're trading for the rest of Friday, be careful. Otherwise, see you Monday morning for stream again. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Much love in the next one. Bye-bye.